Okay, good afternoon and thank you for coming. All right, so what I'd like to do first is to show you this document that I created. My intent here today is to show you that you can create more than just a text document using Pages. I am showing this to you from my iPad, which is connected to my computer, and this is an EPUB file that I exported from Pages. So let's take a look. First, I have a cover page, and then this is my inside cover page. So the idea is that you can create, here's my acknowledgments page, and a table of contents. And this is a sample file, so it's not fully, robust in content, but it has content. So here's the first page of the chapter. And you have images, a sidebar, you have a running header up at the top, you have text, and you have a secondary header down below the image. Also more text, more images, and in this case, I also have a footnote. And down at the bottom, there is a footnote reference down at the bottom. More text, more footnotes. Where are you? Looking for the word coffee. But I want to show you that they are continuous when you create footnotes. And if I could just see the small print and see where the other one is, I'd show it to you, but I'm going to pass that by. All right, again, the content is consistent. And this is the idea is for you to be able to create a book or some type of content that you do have consistent looking pages and consistent looking formatting in your document. Here I have a movie. And let's open that up. This is the sun setting. And you have controls that you can access. Let me open that back up. If I want to repeat it, scroll back or scroll forward 15 seconds, I can. And I can even send it out to any other AirPlay document. Below this, I have what's called an image gallery. With the image gallery, you see the little dots down at the bottom. I can try to click the dots, or I can just swipe through. And notice that each separate image has a different caption. Come on. And this is all still within this EPUB document. If I continue on, more consistent content. Again. And here, in this chapter, I have a link. Directly in the first line of the body text. So if I click the link, it asks me, do I want to go and open up this web page? I will. It takes me to the web page. I can read the content. And then in the upper left corner, I can click back on iBooks, and it takes me back into my document. More images, and the end, that little square down at the bottom is an inline graphic. If I want to navigate to any of the other pages, I tap the iPad and I can click on any page to get back to it. And to show you that the table of contents is a working table of contents, click there. It takes me back to chapter 1. Let's go back. Let's go to chapter 4. So what you have here is a document that, believe it or not, is pretty easy to create in Pages. So the idea of my presentation is to show you that you can create a document with consistent formatting, with an automatic updating table of contents, to show you how you can add footnotes, the different methods that you can insert images, adding an image gallery, inserting a movie, and a web link. How does that sound? All right. Now, believe it or not, this file is a word processing file. Does it look like a word processing file? It looks like a page layout file. All right, so with that.
You didn't use iBooks.
I'm sorry?
You did not use the iBooks author program.
I did not. This is all done in Pages. Okay? All right, so let me go ahead and quit this.